Hi everyone! Today I'm just going to show you some of the different keys you have on your keyboard. So one is called a key and the entire thing is called a keyboard, and right here you have your mouse pad, but you should also have a mouse that is a little bit easier to work. So as you know probably already, this is the power button. These are the volumes, so if you don't want to hear any sound, you have mute, lower the volume, and raise the volume. You can make the screen brighter or dimmer. Alright, we have enter, shift, you have arrows, control, alt, space bar, alt, control again, shift, a search key, tab, and escape. And then I'll show you what these do here in a little bit. So when you're typing, you should have your two pointer fingers should be on the F and the J, and the rest should be in line, just like this. And this is how your hand should be when you're typing. So as you can see, all of these letters are lowercase, and if you want to do an uppercase letter, you just have to hold shift. We have a shift here and a shift here at the same time. So if I want to do a capital T, I'll do shift with my pinky and click the T. Right? If I want a capital U, I'll do shift with my pinky, hold it, and then U. And it doesn't matter what shift button you use, capital R. Normally we use the opposite of where the letter is. Fantastic. The shift button also works if you want to use different characters that are up at the top. So if I want to type an exclamation point, I'll do shift with my pinky, hold it, and exclamation point. Same thing with the @ sign. If you're typing an email address, shift, @ and that's how that works. Enter is when you want to go to the next line. So as you can see here on my screen, I'm typing. If I want to go down to the next line, I click enter and I can start typing enter again. Alright. Your question mark is here, and you'll do the same thing. You'll have your shift, question mark. If you want to delete something, if you type something by accident, you'll click backspace. And one of the most important things I've learned, I think, is copying and pasting. That is called a shortcut when you use your keyboard instead of your mouse. So to copy something, let's say on my screen, I want to copy this hello again. Normally with my mouse I highlight it, I right click, I click copy, then I click where I want to paste it, I right click again and I click paste. But here on Google Drive it even tells you have to use the shortcuts. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the word we want to copy on our keyboard. We're going to do Control with one finger, hold it, Control C, and you're going to lift it. As you can see, nothing has changed. We just have to trust that it was copied. We're going to click where we want to paste the word, and to paste you click Control V, and now as you can see it pasted and I have two hellos, and I can do it again, V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Alright, so we'll do one more time. You highlight everything you want to copy, Control C for copy. I return to my screen, I click down or where I want to paste, and I click Control V. And it's pasted. I hope this has helped, and you guys will be typing fast in no time. Have fun practicing.